Welcome to Harvest Scale Systems online tutorial. My name is Richard Bertrand, and today we're going to review how to set up and manage employee contractors in your Harvest Scale account. From harvestscale.com, click on the portal link and click on the online farm management portal. Type in your username and password and click login. And from the main home page, you'll be able to edit and manage contractors from the Employees tab. So go to the Farm Leaf tab and click on the Employees page. And this gives you a page where you can add, edit, and change your employees. It's important to note that a contractor is only a grouping of employees, and if you need a special pay rate or other information for each employee, that is done from the Manage Employees page. To manage contractors, you simply click on the Manage Contractor button right here. And to add a new contractor, that is the default setting, you simply type in new contractor's name. Once that new contractor is selected, it's typed in, you can then come down and select several employees. We'll start everybody in the 30s and save that new contractor. If we come back to that managed contractor, we can then edit an existing contractor. Let's say that we forgot to edit that new contractor's employees properly. We'll then scroll down and see that those 3 employees are now selected, and we meant to add everybody in the 90s as well. We would then select everybody in the 90s and save that contractor's new employees. Now that we're back to the Manage the Employees page, we can now sort those employees by the new contractor. So here's everybody that we selected, and now we can go in and verify and make sure that if you have any special piece rates or hourly wages, that those pay rates are enabled or disabled properly. We'll say 70 cents a pound is what we need to pay them, and we can come into each of those employees and enable a special pay rate to ensure that we're paying them minimum wage and the piece rate value that we need to pay them. Simple as that. And now these employees will show up under the special pay rate selection later as well. That's about all there is for the new Contractors Management tab. It's pretty simple and straightforward, and it will allow you to generate reports and other information later on by that employee's contractor. So now we can run a payroll report, and we can only do it by the new contractor's name with a start period and an end period. And I don't have any picker information currently in our demo farm, so no report will be generated. You can also then sort that payroll report by first name, last name, or the picker ID, whichever your payroll company is used to using. Thank you for watching this tutorial from Harvest Scale Systems on managing the contractor and employee information for your farm.